Indian Super League India Rama Football League sangber season kalmeka mizo footballer te hi tu te nge an ni an sul nu tlem nen kan riat chian le zual nan han tar lang vele ta ila ama sabera chuan champion lai Hyderabad a khel mizo player te hi soidon te ang Hyderabad hian mizo player pathuman kola lalbiak lua jong te lal chungnunga chang te le mak zo than puya te hi an ni a lalbiak lua jong te atang hian tranta ila biaka hi goalkeeper ni in India tan under 15 a SAF championship kan ti thin South Asian Football Federation championship a khan sangni som pasari khan alawin lan to a AFC a under 16 championship a khan kum sangni som pariat khan India hi quarter final athen pui boka India tan age group a player mabak engpol tak ni phakin India hi age level a Serbia aram pali in elna tournament a te khan alo champion pui to boka khamitum khan best goalkeeper a thlan ani nge SAF under 19 championship sangni som pakwa aneya khan acha thazui hle boka heminu hian Hero I League club Indian Arrows tan langsar zuin nasatakin level sangzo ka ma ason chhota zela tichuan biaka theina hi Hyderabad FC Indian Super League club tha hian mu mai lowin sangni somni pakhat season trandon khan an la luta a tun thlengin Hyderabad a hian ala om ta zelani biak lua hi tuna hian kum somni mi chaulani in soito ang khan goalkeeper ani a jersey number 13 season kalmeka hian ha in khelmola ero ala in lan lova backup goalkeeper zinga omri in Indian Super League a hian match ala khelri lo na chung hian mizo goalkeeper ISL a in lan theitura nai vai berpol ani mek lal chungnunga changte ani hi kumsomni pakhat mi chaulani in midfielder ani a Hyderabad a hian jersey number 17 ha in season kalmek sangni somni pathum season a hian Indian Super League match khat khelve to in bench atangina luta achanchin tlang pui hi ISL website hian antarlan lo awangin transfer marketing achanchin tlang pui antarlan na hi bel tamai ila chungnunga hi Mizoram Premier League club Chingaveng FC a khel thin ni in heminu hian Hyderabad hian beisena sang taknen an la luta atira first team a omlo ma sela season kalmeka ero first team a promote ani a team a player poimo lani phakri lo ma se Indian Super League a hian ain lan der to a amalam hun hi eng leya ngai ani mak zo than puya maka hi kumsomni mi chau player no pang taklani bokin Hyderabad hian an club malam huna player poimo ni chho thei tura an ngai te jinga mi ani a midfielder ni in jersey number somriat pariat aha ani season kalmeka hian Indian Super League match khat khel to in bench atangin hun top don naya aluta aba khelmola lain lan lowin a career hian senior level a bul atan chhomek chau ani ama in Sail Bokaro under 16 team a khel thinin chuta changchuan Pune City hian under 18 a an chorzuya Pune City a age level football a khela hian sangni sompakwa khan Hyderabad chuan an la lut vele a sangni sompakwa somni season a khan Hyderabad reserve team tan khelin I League a tumnga ain lana hemitum hian Hyderabad reserve team player zinga acha thaber pol ani serchi pa piang footballer thatak ni tura beise mek ma ka hi Mizoram Premier League club Chanmari FC tan alo khel to thin boka sangni somni pakhat season a khan Indian Super League a hian senior team tan khel tura hlan kai ni to in India Rama Football League sang bera hian a season khatna match thum ain lana season kalmek hi ISL a season ni na ani ATK Mohun Bagan hian mizo player pakhat Colin chu lalrin lian namte kumsom pakomi hi ani a ani hi midfielder ni in jersey number 14 a hameka kumsangni sompariat khan Pune City under 18 zomin Hero I League under 18 a Pune tan player poimo zinga mi alo ni to a hetatang hian Hyderabad hian lalutin atira reserve team a khel phota reserve team a hian kumsangni somni pakha September thla thlenga omnuin SC East Bengal a zom le a East Bengal tan hian sangni somni pakha somni pani season khan Indian Super League hi khelin match som pasari lai ain lana goal khat akhung man bok ani kha chu tiang chuan East Bengal tan player Tangkai Paul ani mek lai chuan season kalmek sang ni somni pani somni pathuma ero club thazo ka ngai ATK mahun bagan hian an hna khel tura la lutin season kalmeka hian match khat ain lan ve to a bench atanga alu tumina ni a bultan tu zinga ero ala tel ri lo transfer market in atarlan dana chuan chal mari football club tan kumsang ni som pakwa khan lalrin liana hian alo khel to ani East Bengal hian mizo player pani kol ve bokin jari larin zwala le lal chungnunga te annia jari larin zwala hi kumsomni palimi ni in defender ani a jersey number som pasari hamekin asan zong hi centimeter za somruk pasari ni in ISL website chona tar langa chu fin nga le inches ruk ani yang chu jaria hi All India Football Federation Elite Academy chuak ni in heta tang hian France Club FC match tuna League 2 club ni meka hian training nei narem changa neya France a hian ton thiat ain siam nuwa Chennai FC a kal le in Chennai na hian kumsani som paruk khan a debut match Indian Super League a khelta a Chennai tana Indian Super League a gol khung theino pang ber record hial siamin hei baka hian emerging player of the season a an thlang ta hiala heti lai hian player no pang mabak eng bera ngai ani jaria hian Chennai in sangni som pasari som paria season Indian Super League no moi an choi theinan a tho hlok leya Chennai tan hian sangni somni pakhat season thleng khan player poimo zinga atel chhota zelani kha Chennai na tang hian season kalmek trandona khan East Bengal hian an la lut ani jari hian season kalmeka match ni khel to in khelmuala minute za zet huna mang to a East Bengal tan hian player poimo zinga atel chho zel don ni in alang lal chungnunga hi defender tho ni in kumsomni pakhat mi chau alani thunga jersey number 5 hamekin season kalmeka hian match ni a khel to a khelmuala minute za somriat a mang to chumi omzia chu season kalmeka hian East Bengal tan bultan tu zinga latel zelin match ala khel tluan zel bok ani transfer market in atarlan danin chungnunga hi Aizawl FC Academy chuakania H level atangin Aizawl FC senior level a ain hlangkaya heta tang hian Srinidhi a kal le in Kumin Khan East Bengal hi lonin azoma season kalmek zoa hian Srinidhi a hian akir le don ani Kerala Blasters hian lal thathanga kholring an kolve boka ani hi kumsomni palimi ni in season kalmeka player poimo Paul ni phakin match ni a khel towa minute za somsari lai khelmola huna mang to ani puite atia hriat lal thathanga hi Mizoram Premier League khan aron langsar tana Bethlehem veng thangtan khel thinin best midfielder choi moina kumsangni sompanga khan alodong dai to ani hemi nu hian Northeast United FC tan khel le in Indian Super League semi-final hial ati ma thlen pui kha ania aming hi lian chakle ma se liamin atlak bok vele awangin hun enge moti chung chu khelmola hun amang thei lova ma se a chet pha lem lo Aizawl FC lama lona hun mang vele zewin kumsani somni khan Kerala Blasters tuna a khelmek na hi azom le ta kha ania sangni somni pakhat season atang khan puite hian Kerala Blasters tan la khel ta zelin Indian Super League a big hian mizo footballer zinga record nei thaber Paul animeka match somruk pakhat lai khel to in minute sangli somriat panga zet khelmola huna mang to a goal khat khungin assist tumnga anei to ani he video a kan soi zinga hian transfer market in atarlan dan chuan kan ti lo ho zong atamber hi Indian Super League website atanga lak vek ania Indian Super League website a omlo chin beltrul niya kan hriat si ta chu transfer market site kaltlangin kan bel mai chau ani an record te hi he thu bo sai lai October ni som pakwa sang ni som ni pani kho en laya an din hun ang zela tarlan ani ti kan hratel do nia khati chin kha tun tum atan chuan ni ta sela India Rama Football League sang bera khel mizo player te hi an vai in tuna video ang hian kan tar lang zel do na kan lo ngai chang zel do nia